Lotus has introduced Emeya, its first four-door Hyper GT, during a global premiere in New York City. This groundbreaking electric vehicle combines Lotus' 75 years of engineering and design expertise with advanced innovations, promising an exciting and exceptional driving experience. Emeya features advanced aerodynamics, an electronically controlled air suspension system, and a dual-motor setup capable of reaching over 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, and accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in under 2.8 seconds. One of its standout features is rapid charging, adding 93 miles, 150 kilometers of range in about 5 minutes with a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger. Lotus has also incorporated sustainable materials such as repurposed fashion industry fibers, PVD aluminum, Alcantara, Nappa leather, and Ultrafabrics PU to minimize its carbon footprint. The vehicle boasts an immersive audio system developed with KEF, featuring UniQ registered speaker design and Dolby Atmos-enabled 3D surround sound. Emeya embodies the fusion of emotion and logic, offering luxury, power, and precision. The name Emeya reflects Lotus' dedication to this new vehicle's ambition and commitment. Emeya is part of Lotus' strategy to become a global performance brand by 2028, with production set to commence in 2024. The global premiere event, held at Studio Emeya in New York City, showcased Lotus' rich heritage and the evolution of the brand.